Hey folks, Jesse from Bommer here with another feature video, and today I'm excited to share with you a much requested feature for Bommer for SOLIDWORKS, cut list properties within your bill of materials. So let's begin. I have a sheet metal part here. It's got a single cut list item, and over on the right hand side we see the bill of materials from Bommer. Now this is like any other bill of materials. I can edit my custom properties on my part by just typing in here, but what's new is now we're also able to pull out cut list item properties for the sheet metal part. So we have bend allowance, we have bend radius, sheet metal thickness. These are all new built-in properties within Bommer. We also added support for weldments, particularly weldment assemblies, like this one here. A weldment assembly has structure. We want to represent structure within our bill of materials, and so this appears like any other assembly would within Bommer. You can edit properties on these cut list items, and we also pull out built-in properties, weldment length, weldment angle 1, and weldment angle 2, so you can get the data out that you want. And like everything else within Bommer, we easily export that data to a spreadsheet. That's all I got for you today, folks. As usual, we'll include some useful links in the description below. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, check out our other videos. If you really like what you see and you want to give it a shot, go to www.getbommer.com and request a demo and a trial, and we'd love to set you up with a trial of Bommer for SOLIDWORKS. Until then, have an awesome day.